You know how sometimes the world just feels like it's shifting under our feet? Like the rules we thought were solid suddenly don't apply anymore? Well, that's exactly what's happening in finance right now. And trust me, it's not just about the usual market ups and downs, interest rate hikes, or another quarter of inflation drama. No, this is way bigger. We're talking about changes so deep, they're rewriting the entire playbook of global investing. Think about it. For decades, investors could rely on certain truths. Free trade was the backbone, money flowed across borders like water, and some assets were considered safe havens no matter what was going on in the world. But here's the catch. Those old assumptions? They're cracking. Geopolitics now moves markets as fast as economic data. Safe havens aren't guaranteed safe anymore. And capital, once so fluid, is starting to get stuck in the mud of politics and trade disputes. And just when you think you're starting to get a grip on that, add in two mega shifts shaping the entire future of money: artificial intelligence and the climate transition. AI isn't just changing tech companies. It's reshaping entire economies, creating winners and losers at speeds we've never seen before. And climate? It's not just a green investing buzzword. It's literally transforming energy systems, infrastructure, and even the definition of value itself. Now, here's where it gets tricky. Investors today are basically caught in a storm where short-term hype tempts you, long-term risks scare you, and everything in between feels uncertain. So the big question is, how do you actually build resilience in a world like this? How do you not just survive the chaos, but actually come out stronger on the other side? Well, let me tease you a bit before giving away the full answer. Because here's what some of the smartest investors are realizing. The danger isn't just losing money in a crash. It's locking yourself into losses you can never recover from. History is full of brutal reminders. The Japanese stock bubble of the 80s, the dot-com bust in the 2000s, even meme stock craziness more recently. Sure, markets eventually bounce back, but if you overpaid or got trapped with no flexibility, the bounce doesn't help you. You're stuck with years, even decades of wasted time. And in investing, time lost is wealth lost. So what do you do instead? You flip the script. Instead of chasing whatever's hot, you focus on what actually protects and compound your money over decades. And according to some of the most disciplined investors out there, 3 core principles are becoming non-negotiable. The first one, diversification. Yeah, I know, you've heard it before. But in today's world, it's more critical than ever. Not just spreading your money across stocks and bonds, but across geographies, sectors, even across time. Think of it like planting seeds in different climates and seasons. You don't know which will thrive, but together they give your portfolio the resilience to handle surprises. The second, granularity. This one's interesting because it's not just diversify and forget it. It means zooming in, breaking down big themes into specific opportunities. For example, with AI, you don't just invest in AI. You look at the whole chain: the chip makers, the cloud platforms, the software companies, and even the businesses adopting AI to gain an edge. Same with climate. It's not one big green bet. It's analyzing electrification, energy efficiency, climate adaptation, and more, each with different risks and timelines. Granularity turns vague trends into precise opportunities. And the third, agility. Because in volatile times, things shift fast. Winners flip to losers overnight. Entire sectors get repriced in weeks. Agility is about staying liquid and flexible enough to move when others can't. It's spotting mispriced assets, jumping into opportunities others are forced to sell off, and catching underappreciated themes early, like climate adaptation, which is exploding from a $2 trillion market today to a projected $9 trillion by 2050. So let's recap without the jargon. The world of investing is being shaken at its core. Old assumptions are gone. Geopolitics, AI, and climate are reshaping the game. In this storm, chasing hype or hiding from risk won't cut it. The investors who will thrive are the ones who stay diversified, granular, and agile. That's how you build resilience. That's how you turn volatility into opportunity. And that's how, no matter what storm hits next, you're not just holding on, you're actually moving forward.